Hello everyone and welcome to Explode Maths. Today we are going to solve a very nice exponential problem 8 to power x plus 8 to power 1 minus x is equal to 9 and we have to find the value of x. So let us see its step-by-step solution. So here in first step we will write 8 to power x plus this 8 to power 1 minus x can be written as 8 to power 1 over 8 to power positive x equal to 9. And now here we can take denominator 1 here so that the LCM of these two fractions will be equal to 8 to power x, and now 8 to power x divided by 1 will be equal to 8 to power x, and when that will multiply to this value it will be equal to 8 to power x squared plus here 8 to power x divided by 8 to power x will be equal to 1, and when 1 multiplied this value here it will be equal to 8 to power 1 equal to 9. Or now in next step we will write 8 to power x to power squared plus 8 to power 1 is same as 8 equal to, here this value is dividing on left hand side, so it will multiply on right hand side. Therefore here we will write 9 times 8 to power x. And now here what will we do next is we will let 8 to power x equal to m. So now by substituting the value of m here, this equation will be equal to m squared plus 8 equal to 9 times m. So now in next step we will write m squared, and we will take this 9m on left hand side, therefore it will be negative 9m plus 8 is equal to 0. So now here we have gotten a form of quadratic equation, and now we may solve it by using quadratic formula or by factorization. Well, we can solve it by factorization, so its factors may be m squared minus 1m minus 8m plus 8 is equal to 0, because minus 1 and minus 8 are equal to minus 9, and minus 1 multiplied to minus 8 will be equal to positive 8. So the perfect factors of this equation are minus 1 and minus 8. So now in next step, from these two values we can take m as common factor. So now here we left m minus 1, and from these two values we will take minus 8 as common factor. Therefore here we left is m minus times plus will be equal to minus, and 8 divided by 8 will be equal to 1 equal to 0. And now we can see that this term and this term are same, so we will write m minus 1 is common, and now here we left m minus 8 equal to 0. And now here we can see that there are two factors that are equal to 0, so here we will write m minus 1 equal to 0 or m minus 8 equal to 0. Here m will be equal to positive 1 or here m will be equal to positive 8. And now here we will recall that as we have assumed this m equal to 8 to power x and it will be equal to 1, and now we can write 8 to power x is equal to, this 1 can be written as 8 to power 0, as we know that any value having power of 0 is always equal to 1. So now here we can see that the bases are same on both sides of equation. So by comparing, we will get x equal to 0. Or on this side, when m will be substituted by 8 to power x and it will be equal to 8, and we can take power of 1 here, so there will be no effect on this value. And now again we can see that the bases are same on both sides, and by comparing we will get x equal to 1. So these are the values of x. And now let's verify our answer. So here we will write our original equation, that was 8 to power x plus 8 to power 1 minus x equal to 9, and when x was equal to 0, so by putting the value of x here, the equation will be equal to x to power 0 plus 8 to power 1 minus 0 equal to 9, and as we know that 8 to power 0 will be equal to 1 plus 8 to power 1 minus 0 will be equal to 1 equal to 9, and 1 plus 8 will be equal to 9 also equal to 9. And when x is equal to 1, so by putting the value of x, equation will be equal to 8 to power 1 plus 8 to power 1 minus 1 equal to 9, or 8 to power 1 will be equal to 8 plus 8 to power 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0 equal to 9. 8 plus 8 to power 0 equal to 1 equal to 9, and now 9 will be equal to 9. So here also left hand side is equal to right hand side, and it verifies that the values of x equal to 0 and 1 are exact roots. I hope you would have liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.